Do you want to attract beneficial insects to your garden? These tiny helpers are vital for a thriving garden. They control pests, pollinate plants, and even boost soil health. Stick around to learn how you can invite these helpful critters into your garden. Attracting beneficial insects to your garden is a process that involves a few key steps. Firstly, consider planting a variety of plants. This encourages biodiversity and provides a range of habitats that can cater to different types of insects. From flowering plants that provide nectar to tall grasses that offer shelter, diversity in your garden is key. The second step is to provide food sources. Insects like bees and butterflies require pollen and nectar for sustenance. By incorporating flowering plants that bloom at different times of the year, you ensure a steady food supply for these helpful critters. The third step is to avoid harmful pesticides. These not only kill the pests you're trying to get rid of, but can also harm or even kill the beneficial insects. Consider opting for organic pest control methods instead. Lastly, creating habitats like insect hotels or piles of leaves and wood can provide shelter for beneficial insects. These structures can be simple or elaborate, but the idea is to provide a place where insects can thrive and reproduce. By following these steps, you can create a welcoming environment for beneficial insects in your garden. Attracting beneficial insects to your garden isn't just about pest control. It's about creating a balanced, thriving ecosystem. Remember, these tiny helpers can pollinate your plants, decompose organic matter, and keep harmful pests in check. By providing them with a welcoming environment, think native plants, a splash of water, and pesticide-free surroundings, you're not only cultivating a healthier garden, but also contributing to a more balanced nature. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!